Hello students, how are you all? I'm sure you all are fine and taking good care of yourself. So children, let's begin with our next chapter, which is comprehensions. The aim of comprehension is to test the ability of a student to read and understand a passage. On the basis of the content, some questions have to be answered at the end of the passage within a limited time. One should be able to understand the subject the passage deals with. The following quick lines should be kept in mind while reading a passage for comprehension. तो बच्चों comprehension क्या होता है? ये आपके सोचने समझने की जो ability होती है उसे ये दर्शाता है, ठीक है. स्टूडेंट्स को पैसेज वगैरह दिया जाता है, जब आप पैसेज पढ़ लेते हो, उसे अंडरस्टैंड कर लेते हो, तो उसके बाद आपको कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं उस पैसेज से रिलेटेड जो आपको आंसर करने होते हैं. Read the given passage carefully and try to understand the main subject it deals with. Note the important points in your mind. Look for an answer to each question and write it in a brief manner. The answer should be written in your own words. If you do not understand a particular word, then read the passage again to understand its meaning in given context. तो बच्चों यहाँ पे हमें कुछ पॉइंट्स बताए गए हैं कि हमें पैसेज पढ़ने के लिए उसे ध्यान देने के लिए क्या क्या पॉइंट्स जो है अपने माइंड में रखने होते हैं. सबसे पहले आप पैसेज को ध्यान से पढ़ोगे, ठीक है, वो आपसे क्या कहना चाह रहा है या वो किस टॉपिक पे है, इसे आपको ध्यान से समझना है. इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स को आपको अपने माइंड में रखना है और उसके साथ साथ आपको आंसर जो है वो उस पैसेज में ढूंढने हैं जिस क्वेश्चन का आंसर आपको पूछा गया है. आंसर जो होने चाहिए ये आपके खुद के वर्ड्स में होने चाहिए और अगर आपको कोई वर्ड का मीनिंग नहीं समझ में आता तो आप उस पैसेज को दोबारा पढ़ सकते हैं. पैसेज 1. Columbus had been many years in Portugal and it was there that his studies had fired him with his great belief. Since then, for 10 years, he had spent his life pursuing his aim and begging at the courts of kings that he might be provided with ships and money and men for a voyage which make rich any nation that sponsor it. He left Portugal after years of fruitless waiting. The king had been interested by skeptical and too much occupied with the success of his African voyages to give him much heed. So he came to Spain to lay his case before our King Ferdinand and Queen Isabella. Certain mobile man had faith in him, sheltered him and brought him to the court. But the kingdom was at war with the Moors, who for 800 years had invaded and settled in it. And the war thought nearing its end, needed all the money it could find. There was none to spare for a voyage so speculative as Columbus proposed. Nonetheless, his case was submitted to the council and the council rejected it. Still, Columbus did not give up hope. He followed the code upon its companions against the Moors, living as the best he could. Sometimes making a little money by drawing maps, sometimes living under the patronage of his friends. For 6 years he waited and then gave up hope. He would try no more in Spain, but go to the court of France, where perhaps he would receive a favorable hearing. First, though, he must take his son Diego to the house of a cousin in Hulava, there to be educated and awaited the better fortune of his father. From Columbus sails by sea, Walter Hodge. तो बच्चों ये जो पैसेज है ये कोलंबस के बारे में हमें बताता है, ठीक है, आपको उसको ध्यान से पढ़ना है और यहाँ पे आपको कुछ क्वेश्चन दिए गए हैं इस पैसेज से रिलेटेड, उसके आंसर आप देंगे. Let's move on to our next passage. It is time that a fitting tribute were paid to British Railways. Throughout their history, from the days of Stephenson until today, they have faithfully served the community by providing a safe, speedy, cheap and efficient means of transportation. The toll of major accidents involving serious loss of life has been remarkably small compared with the vast number of passengers conveyed without harm to their various destinations. Nor has the user of the railway ever been unduly exploited by any of the company's concern. For although the rate of travel has increased beyond the traditional penny a mile, the cost of journey, the length of the country has never been beyond the purse of the ordinary man or other by the constant pounding of the waves. Although pebbles vary greatly according to the nature of the rock of which they are composed, the durability of many of them is estimated at little more than a year. But a grain of sand must be of durable textures to have withstood transport without being further reduced to a particle of mud. Each grain is so small and with so little space between it and its fellows that water is held around it by capillary actions. Hence, no two grains touch one another and the sand is not ground to find powder even when powerful waves coming in at the rate of some 5 every minute pound with the force of hundreds of tons along a stretch of beach. Pebbles roll over each other and so would crush animals or plants that attempted to live among them. A pebble beach is the most barren region of the shore. But unless churned with exceptional force, as on the more exposed Atlantic beaches, the water-laden sand is a wonderful medium for living things. It gives protection when the tide is out and a secure substratum on which an animal may move or in which it may burrow when covered by the sea. The dry sand above high tide level or on sand dunes is barren. Here the grain rub one against the other and in movement may give out the sharp singing note heard by travelers over certain sands. The enduring wet sand of the sea shore are protectors of the land and over their firm expands the wave break with fruitless फरी. तो बच्चों यहाँ पे एक लैंड के बारे में बताया गया जो सी के पास है, जो एक बीच है, ठीक है, और वहाँ पे कोई भी आता जाता नहीं है. तो इस बीच के बारे में इस पैसेज में आपको एक्सप्लेन किया गया है. इस पैसेज को आपको ध्यान से पढ़ना है और यहाँ पे आपको कुछ क्वेश्चन दिए गए, उसके आंसर आपको खुद से देने हैं. Now let's move on to our next passage, passage 3. Though grandfather provided the household with a large of pets as one could wish for, my favorite was the little black goat who followed me home from the mustard fields one day. Each year before the monsoon rains came, the little Song River was a narrow stream. I liked watching the fields and tea gardens. I had been sitting on the bank of a small irrigation canal, gazing at a couple of fishermen fishing in the muddy water, when I felt something bump my elbow. Looking around, I found my side a little goat, jet black and soft as velvet with lovely grey eyes. She continued to look at me. I looked in my pocket for nourishment and finding a ginger biscuit, held it out to her. A little later, when I got up to leave, the goat rose too. She started following me unsteadily. I set out for home at a brisk pace, feeling sure that I would soon leave the little goat behind. But her legs, grandfather. Not another pet, said grandmother when she saw the goat in the veranda. It was easy to understand grandmother's objection. The recent destructiveness of Toto, our monkey, who had torn certain and broken dishes, had set grandmother dead against having any more pets. Grandfather, by my side, had to pretend that he had purchased the goat as an investment. Goat's milk is very good for your health, he told grandmother. The prospect of milk grandmother more tolerant of the new pet, even though she knew it would be some time before the goat could give any. My goat was soon named Tinker Bell, after the fairy in Peter Pan. I tied a little bell to her neck so I would always know by its tinkling where she was. तो बच्चों ये जो पैसेज है ये एक बॉय के बारे में जो एक गोट के बच्चे को पालना चाहता है, लेकिन उसकी ग्रैंड मदर क्या बोलती है कि वो उसे बिल्कुल अलाउ नहीं करेगी। तो उनके जो ग्रैंडफादर है वो कैसे ना कैसे उसे मना लेते हैं, उनकी ग्रैंड मदर को मना लेते हैं और वो उस गोट को पालते हैं और साथ के साथ उसका नाम जो है वो टिंकर बेल लगते हैं। ठीक है, अब यहाँ पे आपको कुछ क्वेश्चन दिए गए हैं इस पैसेज से रिलेटेड, आप इनके आंसर जो है वो खुद से ढूंढ के लिखेंगे। पैसेज 4, very recently Sunita Devi 44 who had severe cardiac problem got a heart transplant. She does not know who the donor is, but she is full of gratitude for the person whose heart is now pumping her blood and keeping her alive. She underwent heart transplantation at Sir Ganga Ram Hospital a few days back, making it the 30th heart transplant in Delhi and the first in a private hospital. India's first heart transplant was done at the All India Institute of Medical Science AIIMS on August 3, 1994, which had 26 since then. With 3 successful transplants, Army Research and Referral in the only other hospital to have done heart transplant in Delhi. In India, only 70 heart transplants have been done in 17 years because very few families agree to donate organs. For every 10,000 people who need a heart transplant each year, only 4 are lucky enough to get a new heart that lets them live. The heart is first retrieved from the donor, which takes about 45 minutes. Implantation takes 3 to 4 hours. Under the Union Health Ministry project, 40 hospitals in Delhi have been identified as transplant and retrieval hospitals or retrieval hospitals only. तो बच्चों इस पैसेज में हार्ट ट्रांसप्लांट जो सर्जरी होती है उसके बारे में बताया गया है। अब यहाँ पे आपको क्वेश्चन दिए गए हैं, इसके आंसर आप खुद से करेंगे। तो बच्चों आई होप आपको ये चैप्टर अच्छे से समझ में आ गया होगा। अब इसका रिवीजन और दी गई एक्सरसाइज की प्रैक्टिस आप खुद से करेंगे।